Buxom Beauties, muscle cars, and hot rods coming up. There's a stunning babe in a 1928 Ford Model A custom hot rod. Wowzer, here's a sensuous babe in a 1938 Buick Coupe street rod. Here's a voluptuous babe in a 1948 Ford hot rod coupe. As a disabled senior citizen and a U.S. veteran, I've been producing videos for several years now for free. YouTube continues to refuse to pay me for my work. If you like my videos and want me to continue creating them, please donate $1 cash or more and send it to the address listed. Please no checks. Thank you for your support. Wowzer, here's an attractive chick and a 2018 Shelby Super Snake. Buxom Beauty here in a 1958 Ford F-100 hot rod. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. That's the end of the show. I hope you liked it. Have a good day.